guys, and welcome back. So today I will be doing a how to draw a hot cocoa mug with whipped cream and a candy cane. That sounds kind of Christmassy, but I just decided it'd be fun to do it. So what you're going to want to start with is a paper and a pencil, obviously, to do a oval shape on your paper, like this. And then after you're done with the oval shape, down and make a curve at the bottom and then go straight. And then go back up. I kind of messed up here. But this is what the bottle or mug should look like. Actually, I'm going to make mine a tad bit shorter. What you want to do now is do the handle for the mug, which all you got to do is go a little straight first, curve the edge, and then go back, and then just follow that outline. And once you're done with the handle, erase any unnecessary lines. And then what you want to do is start on the whipped cream. So for the whipped cream, it's a bit of a weird whipped cream shape. Do a curve line down where your oval is, like a curve line a bit above the line, and then do a curve shape down and go up. And make it kind of a big up, and then do a little point. And then erase your line inside the mug. And since this one's up, you're going to want to go where the point is. Actually, you're going to want to make your point and then go all the way down like this. And that's your weird whipped cream shape. You can kind of ripple the edges of here first, and then you got your beautiful whipped cream, and then you know how the point was there? Smooth out the edges a little bit, and then there you go, you got a whipped cream. And now all you gotta do is the candy cane, which you want to start here and just make a normal candy cane shape, and then follow that outline. And then there you go, you got the candy cane. Erase any unnecessary lines, and then make the inside of the hot cocoa go up a little. And then you want to do the lines inside the candy cane. And then all you got to do now is do the little design inside the hot cocoa mug. Is what I do is do like a mini circle, and then you want to do 2 dots, and then you want to do an oval and then a dot, and the same thing on the other side, oval and then a dot, and then on the other side 2 dots, and then oval, dot, oval, dot. And then there you go, you have the mini mug and the candy cane. So now I'm going to fast forward this part, and I'm going to outline it and color it, but you can pause the video to see how I color it or outline it. And yeah,